Katie Dolgoff, Director of Exhibitions and Collections here at Oceanside Museum of Art. We are standing in front of David Adey, Sacrificial Bodies. This is his mid-career survey exhibition looking at the past 25 years of creative output from his grad school artworks, some really early experimental works that really are pushing boundaries, all the way up to an incredible artwork that was created for this exhibition, exploring technology and bodies and the meaning of being. This artist is going super deep on some very esoteric themes, while at the same time, the visuals, the wild materials he's using, neon, colors, ceramics, 3D printed objects, so visually stimulating. Made out of materials you would not expect to see in a museum. David is a Southern California-based artist. He's lived in Southern California for decades because that's what we do here. We celebrate and share the stories of Southern California artists. You will see group exhibitions, solo exhibitions, and collections that are all digging deep into the meaning, the stories, the heart of Southern California. And our exhibitions are changing all the time. So you can come see this exhibition throughout the summer. You can see David Adey's artwork, Faith Healer, right behind me. This artwork was created for this exhibition, and David is investigating how our bodies kind of merge with commercial aspects of the world around us. So you can see these little advertisements placed in little screens around the body, and you can see how the product being advertised magically heals that area of the body. It's this really interesting cross idea between what does it mean to be in this world, what does it mean to have our bodies so commercialized, and you can just see how cool it is to be using these 3D printed materials to kind of explore this idealized version of a body.